Dartmoor footage, day 2.
Trails Overland Dave here, back in the forest in East Dartmoor. So we're going to go a little bit further, see if we can find anything. I've heard from one of my subscribers, Sasquatch UK. He's found evidence of Bigfoot here in footprints, 15-inch footprints he found. So hopefully we might find something. So let's carry on. Yeah, so in one of the forests on East Dartmoor, been suspected sightings and evidence, so see what we can find. And already we found something. Yeah, just here, look, across our path. I think we'll go a little bit further, see if we can find any other evidence. Look at that. What is that? What's that noise? Coming from behind us somewhere. We'll be camping out, checking the trails, doing a bit of tree knocking. We've got some apples with us as well, looking for signs and evidence that Bigfoot's out here in Dartmoor. So like I say, keep watching. There's another snap tree here. So, yeah. We've got a mixture of birch, oak and pine trees here in this forest. So, take a little scan. Yeah, I wonder what that noise was. We're quite far away from anything here. And we spent the night in the beaver bag last night. And it's fairly hot as well, so we're spending another night in the beaver bag tonight as well. Once we find another clearing, we'll see what we can do. More fallen trees there. Watching us now. They're so well disguised. You can see up there some bark rubbing. That's what I tend to do. We'll go up there and see if there's any claw marks in it. It's like scratches on the actual bark of the tree. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think, guys? Could be. Let's keep trail treading. Looks like something's been laid down there. You see it's all flattened down there. Yeah, it's quite big as well, quite a big area. That's bigger than a deer. So is that some new evidence we've found? That tree's, well, probably about a foot across, even though it don't look it. It's a bit deceiving really. So, yeah, something's definitely been laid down there. How long ago, I don't know. But yeah, You can see how thick the stuff is with the new foliage coming through. It's quite dense and thick. Got another tree down there. Some more here. Yeah, I think we've got that. Keep our ears open and eyes, because we could be being watched now. Quite easily. So trail treaders, this is Overland Dave on Bigfoot RC, getting deeper into the East Forest and Dartmoor. Stay tuned, I'll bring you some more in a minute. Oh, what's that, guy? What's that, trail treaders? Looks like a footprint. Looks like a footprint, doesn't it? See, like claws there. Like toes. Can you see it? That's at least 15-16 inches, that footprint there. At least 15-16 inches. So that's something else. And these aren't far away from where I live. As the crow flies anyway. I have to pinpoint this and try and take a cast of that. So I'll leave this here, put a pinpoint on my compass, and then try and cast something. Stay tuned, guys, and trail treaders. This is Dave on Bigfoot RC, searching for Bigfoot in Dartmoor. So stay tuned, trail treaders. This is Overland Dave on Bigfoot RC in the Eastern Forest in Dartmoor, searching for Bigfoot. And there's more evidence, and I'll try and take a cast of that and keep you informed. And it's gone really quiet. So trail treaders, we're going to take a little break here next to this big oak tree and just contemplate on where we're going to go next. So stay tuned, and it's Overland Dave on Bigfoot RC in Dartmoor. So trail treaders, we've come to a ravine drop here and some deer tracks, and we're dropping down low, going down there, and it's really quiet. There's a weird smell as well, that strong smell again we've got, that we usually get when he's around, or it's around. So we're probably being watched now somewhere. That's usually the protocol. So trail treaders, let's continue down with caution. And there's some bent trees there. They've been bent over real well. So I'll continue down here. Oh. Pity we can't do a live cam footage, but some of these places there's no signal at all. So it wouldn't work. It wouldn't. It'd just be all blocky. But I'll bring you what I can, when I can, and I don't really edit my videos. I just put it together and then put it up for you guys to look at. So I've got a fair drop down there, and I think it's up the other side. So let's go. So I've been down to the bottom, been looking around for evidence and stuff, and nothing down there. But that smell, this is unique smell, but it's weird. Makes the hairs stand up on the back of your neck as well. But now we're climbing up the other side. And you've got that eerie feeling that we're not on our own. Let's keep going. Go this way. Up over that embankment. So you're watching this, trail treaders, over on Dave on Bigfoot RC, northeastern forest, Dartmoor, Devon, in the search for Bigfoot. Tell you what, trail treaders, it's going to be really hard to spot anything in here. It's quite dense and thick. But we're in the bottom of the ravine and there's a little stream. So we're going to take a little break here. So press the like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll bring you more adventures in the wilderness searching for Bigfoot. We'll see what we can find, trail treaders, out there in the wilderness that is the National Forest on East Dartmoor. Thanks for watching.